Are you on the hunt for the best laser welder machine of 2025? Whether you're a professional fabricator, a DIY enthusiast, or looking for the best handheld laser welding machine for home use, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 best laser welder machines that deliver precision, power, and value. Perfect for everything from fine electronic point repairs to heavy-duty industrial jobs. From TIG and laser beam welding to the latest innovations from brands like Lincoln and Harbor Freight, we've got it covered. So stick around, because the right welding machine can change your workflow completely. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more top tech reviews. The 2000 W2-in-1 laser welding machine is a high-performance tool that earns its spot among the best laser welder machines for professionals and serious users. Designed for versatility, this powerful handheld fiber laser welder is ideal for working with a variety of metals, including stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, carbon steel, and copper. The 2000-watt power output ensures strong weld penetration and stable operation, while the 220V input voltage is compatible with most industrial settings. What sets this machine apart is its dual functionality. It not only welds, but also includes a laser beam cleaner for surface preparation and post-weld cleaning. The auto wire feeder is a valuable addition, significantly improving welding efficiency and reducing manual labor. Whether you're fabricating industrial components or repairing automotive parts, this machine offers professional-grade results. Its ergonomic handheld design enhances mobility, making it easier to weld in hard-to-reach areas or complex angles. The welding gun delivers smooth and precise welds, minimizing spatter and cleanup. The beam cleaner ensures a polished finish by removing oxidation and contaminant from the surface. For users looking for a reliable, powerful, and flexible welding solution, this model is a smart investment. It performs well across various applications and materials, offering great value for its price. If you're aiming to upgrade your workshop with one of the top laser welder machines, this 2000W model checks all the boxes in terms of performance, convenience, and durability. The OMTech 1500W handheld fiber laser welder stands out as one of the best laser welder machines in its class, offering a comprehensive 3-in-1 system that supports welding, cleaning, and cutting in one compact unit. Built for professionals and industrial use, this machine delivers consistent performance and excellent precision across a range of metals, including stainless steel, aluminum, and more. One of its most impressive features is the built-in water chiller, which keeps the machine running cool even during long sessions. This helps prevent overheating and extends the machine's lifespan. The included laser gun is easy to maneuver and produces clean, smooth welds with minimal distortion. The automatic wire feeder ensures a continuous welding process, reducing interruptions and improving efficiency. What really adds value to this model is the 20 included welding nozzles. These interchangeable tips offer flexibility for different welding scenarios, making it ideal for fabrication shops, repair work, and metal art. The machine's cleaning function is especially useful for removing rust, oxidation, and other surface contaminants, resulting in cleaner and more professional-looking welds. In terms of usability, OMTech has designed this model with the user in mind. It's intuitive, efficient, and powerful, making it suitable even for small business operations or advanced hobbyists. If you're in the market for a versatile and reliable welder that can also cut and clean, this machine delivers serious performance. For those who want an all-in-one solution without sacrificing quality, this is easily one of the top 5 best laser welder machines you can buy in 2025. If you're searching for a compact, intelligent solution among the best laser welder machines, the 700W portable AI air-cooled laser welding machine is a unique and impressive option. This 3-in-1 table model combines welding, cutting, and cleaning in a lightweight, space-saving design, perfect for small workshops, mobile repair services, or home use. Despite its lower power output compared to industrial-grade models, the 700W laser still performs remarkably well on metals such as stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. The air-cooled design eliminates the need for bulky water chillers, simplifying setup and maintenance. It's an excellent choice for light fabrication, jewelry repair, or tech-related applications where precision is more important than brute force. A major highlight is its AI control system and mobile phone compatibility, allowing users to manage settings remotely and with greater accuracy. This feature significantly enhances user experience, making it more accessible to beginners or those new to laser welding. The intuitive interface streamlines adjustments, while the stable output ensures consistent results. Because of its portability, this machine can easily be transported between job sites or moved around the shop with minimal effort. It's also relatively quiet and energy efficient, appealing to users who prioritize convenience and sustainability. In a market crowded with bulky and expensive equipment, this model is a breath of fresh air for those needing reliable performance in a smaller footprint. It's not just compact, it's smart, efficient, and built to deliver professional quality results. If you need a user-friendly, portable, and multifunctional device, this tabletop laser welder is a solid choice among the best laser welding machines currently available.